How to insert audio in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to insert audio on your Microsoft PowerPoint, whether you want to upload it from your files or want to record it itself. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft PowerPoint and then go to the slide where you want to insert your audio, and then you can see insert option beside home on top. Tap on it, and on the right hand side you can see audio option. Tap on it. So there are two options: audio on my PC or record audio. So if you tap on record audio, you'll get the option to record your audio right then and there. If you tap on audio on my PC, your files will open up and then you can choose from your sound recordings here. So it's as simple as that. You can just choose something and hit insert. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.